Hi everybody, 1 month before we have a one complaint for error code E9. This is the Daikin aircon. So we check with the Daikin E9 error code is the expansion valves faulty. Some of the expansion valve near the leaking also. So we propose to replace the expansion. So we propose to replace the new expansion valve. This job already we done ready. This one is for the expansion valve head. On top the expansion valve have the expansion valve is only for open and close the valve. This one can replace by the mecas mean the bracing method. This two also take out the bracing and just put back the expansion valve. This one is the top of the expansion valve motor. After we replace the expansion valve and then we vacuum the system for half an hour, the blue color one going to -30 and red color also -30. After that we top up the gas 410 what gas this identification, this just top up the gas 410 and then test on the unit. This one we take out time the reading and the pressure is almost 145 degree and the reading ampere is 7.52. So far the system is running okay.